Why you need to start an online business. Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if this is your first time on this channel guys, I would highly consider subscribing, and also be sure to smash that like button as well guys, and drop a comment down below so that I can know what you think about this video and also about this topic as well, because it is extremely important to hear what you guys have to say as well, okay? But anyways guys, listen, it's freaking 2019, and in 2019 guys, the possibilities of starting a business, making money and whatnot, it has just exploded, man. Like, there are so many different opportunities, and to be honest, if you're not taking advantage of this opportunity right now, man, you need to look at yourself and think, what the hell am I doing? Am I doing something with my life that I really enjoy, that I really love? Am I loving the job that I'm at right now? Because 8 out of 10 times, you don't. It's a proven fact that I think at least 80% of people completely hate their jobs, guys. So if 80% of people hate their jobs, that's assuming that 8 out of every 10 of you watching this video right now hate your job as well, right? Which leads me to this guys, starting a business has never been easier in 2019 than it was like 20-30 years ago. Because back in the day, you had to take out a huge amount of loans to even consider starting a business. Like, you had to buy a physical building, take out either hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars in loans to start a business. And at that, which isn't even guaranteed, you might not even make no money from it. You might even lose money. So starting a business years ago was tough. It was very hard to start, and to even make profit from it, I mean, it was even more difficult to make. But see, the thing here in 2019 is that you don't need that much money like that to start a business in 2019, especially when it comes to online businesses, guys, okay? You don't need to take out so many loans like you did back in the day to where you can start with just little to no money, guys. Like, you can legit start a business right now online with little to no money whatsoever. If anything, you might need $100 or something. But even if you don't have any money, guys, just to put in the time and effort, guys, to start a business, like, it is extremely phenomenal, guys. Like, it is crazy. And the sad part is that most of you don't realize that you can actually do this, okay? Some of you are stuck in that same 9-to-5 mentality right now, that you have to hate your job, that you have to work there. Some of you are still stuck in that mentality that you're at your job right now, that you have to be there for the next 40 years and suffer those whole 40 years, you know, hating it. Hating the thought of waking up to somebody every single morning. The thought of doing whatever someone else tells you. Getting paid the same amount of money every single weekend. Like, dude, you don't have to live that type of lifestyle no more. Better yet, you can even start a business on something that you really truly love. Like, you can start a YouTube channel talking about Transformers or Power Rangers or something like that. And people are legit making money doing that. Take for example, video games. There are YouTubers right now who are making thousands, maybe millions of dollars every single year from playing video games. Like, holy crap, dude, that's crazy. If you had told me I could make money like that, I don't know, like 10, 12 years ago, then you better believe I would have been a millionaire by now, because back in the day when I was more little, all I did was play video games all day, and I really enjoyed it. So it's crazy to think that you can make money by doing things like this, guys, okay? And not even just a YouTube channel. Like, you can start an Instagram page, a Facebook page. Like, dude, dropshipping, I don't know, Facebook marketing. Like, dude, there's so many opportunities right now that if you're not taking advantage of any of these right now, you're gonna be left behind so bad in the next 10 to 20 years when those who did take action are killing the game, okay? And let me just say, making money online, guys, is super easy once you get the gist of it, okay? It is gonna require hard work and time, but once you get it flowing and start making some money, it's actually pretty easy. And when just waking up, going to sleep, and seeing that you got paid a certain amount of cash on your phone from PayPal or whatever platform you're using, like, it's just a wonderful feeling knowing that you made some money by sleeping, guys. Like, that is truly crazy. And if that doesn't convince you to start some online business in 2019, guys, then maybe this will. Listen, if you talk to your grandparents right now, assuming they're still alive, hopefully, I guarantee you that they will tell you that if they had these opportunities back in the day when they were younger, you best believe they would have took them. Because guys, in those times when they were young, they had to manually work. They had to, you know, do a job that they hated. Like, you couldn't come home and start a side hustle because you didn't have those opportunities. They dealt with the job they had. They were stuck being miserable probably most of the time. And there was almost nothing that you could do about it except maybe go to college and get a different degree to get a different job of some sort. They couldn't come home after work. After 5 p.m., they could not come home after work and start video recording themselves, starting a YouTube channel or starting a podcast and making money on the side, which will eventually, hopefully, after some good time of hard work and effort, ends up turning into a full-time income, okay? They didn't have those options. They went to work or went to school, got a better job, hopefully, and that's all they could do. Nowadays, guys, we have way more opportunities than they did. And it just bothers me when people are taking it for granted so much that they're just stuck on Instagram, Facebook all damn day, or YouTube, and yet they complain that they hate their jobs, but they're not taking action whatsoever to start an online business of some sort, okay? Like, even if you're not entrepreneur minded, guys, I mean, just trying it out a bit and maybe eventually liking it, guys, is pretty freaking awesome, considering all the tools and information that's out there that you can take advantage to actually start something, okay? So if you're not doing something right now in 2019 to potentially make you money down the road online, guys, it is just absolutely risky as hell, because in the next 10 to 20 years, guys, the internet is evolving more and more and more, which means there's going to be more opportunities down the road. And if in the next 10, 20 years, you're still working at a job that you hate, and then you see those who took action are killing it, guys, like, dude, it's going to be very depressing. There's going to be so many regrets down the road that you're going to be looking back like, man, I should have done this. I wish I did this. I should have. I wish. Like, you don't want to be that person who says those things, okay? So if you can, guys, try to do something right now about it so that you can start making some type of money online. Take, for example, guys, my dropshipping business. I'm documenting that so that you guys can see that it is possible to make money, okay? And also that it's not a scam that you're gonna make $1 million over a month or so. It is possible, but I mean, the majority of people aren't. So by doing that, guys, I hope it's encouraging some of you to, you know, start some type of online business. So hopefully even just one of you takes my advice and starts some type of online business, or at least consider it. Because guys, again, in the next 20 to 40, 60 years, you do not want to be that person who works at a job that they completely hate and lives a life full of regrets while watching everybody else live their lives, okay? So please don't be that person and take some type of action today, all right, guys? But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you did enjoy that video. I also hope that it brought some type of value to you, and maybe you take into consideration some of the advice that I'm giving you, okay, guys? Because again, guys, it is extremely important. Whether you believe it or not, the future is coming and you have to be prepared for it, okay? But anyways, guys, as always, if you did enjoy this video, guys, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, leave me a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't already, I will consider subscribing as well so that you stay notified of more videos just like this, alright, guys? Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.